Aloha mai kako, and welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges Value of the Week. My name is Miss Ile and I am the site coordinator over at Nanakuli High and Intermediate School. So the purpose of values is to reflect our sense of right and wrong. These values help us grow and develop as an individual. Therefore, they help us create the futures that we would want for ourselves. So the decisions that we make every day is a reflection of our values. The value that we'll be learning this week is unity. Unity translated into Hawaiian means Lōkahi. Now the definition of unity means to bring together that which has been broken and realizing that we can achieve more when working together in harmony and accepting diversity. Now the Hawaiian term for unity means Lōkahi, spelled L-O with a kahako on the top, K-A-H-I. Lo means to obtain. Kahi means one or single. Now when you put them together, it means to obtain a single thing. Now unity, working together to obtain one goal and realizing that we can achieve more. A good example of Lōkahi would be a canoe. In a canoe, you have multiple paddlers. Now, if everybody is paddling at different speeds or at different paces and everybody is off, eventually you'll reach that finish line, but you would have struggled the whole way there. Now, Lōkahi means that you are paddling in unison. Everybody paddles when they're supposed to, how they are supposed to, steering where they need to go. And then eventually you'll reach that finish line a lot quicker and a lot easier together. Remember, Lōkahi means that we can achieve something when working together in harmony and accepting diversity. Not everybody will be the same, but it is okay. So to help remind you of today's value of the week, I'd like to give you an olelo no eau. An olelo no eau is a Hawaiian proverb or saying, and mine's one for Lōkahi sounds like this. Pupu kahi I holomua. It means to unite in order to progress. We have to remember that in times like this, it's important to social distance. It's important to wash our hands. It's important to wear a mask. And in order for us to progress, we have to make sure that we are doing all that we can so that we can be with each other again, so that we can be with family again, so that we can be with friends again. So remember, as you go throughout the week, practice unity. So we hope that you enjoyed today's value of the week, Lōkahi. We hope that you learned something from it, and don't forget to practice it this week. Hope to catch you next week on another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All-Stars Hawaii. My name is Miss Ile, site coordinator over at Nanakuli High and Intermediate School, signing off saying ahui ho.